What have you been using?
Just like once or twice a month.
All right, we're not here for once or twice a month they're using. People don't pick up, you know, these theft cases and running away from the police for
Correct.
once or twice a month. And in the police report, it said that you had drugs on you. So again, how much are you using?
Every day.
All right, so why are you being dishonest?
I was
2024 CR 0122861, State versus John Cowan Berry. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense.
Renee Munoz.
And are you Mr. Berry?
yes, ma'am.
And counsel, are there applications in this case?
Yes, Your Honor, there are applications.
All right. Ms. Abrams, there's an application.
Thank you, Judge.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor, that's correct.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Berry, did you review the document entitled Application of Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, on the pleading count 2, the prior conviction date should read 22nd of November 2022 rather than 22nd of January. State wants to amend the information. State waives the repeat offender enhancement allegation pending.
And defense has no objections to those changes being made, Your Honor.
All right, do you understand the state is asking that a substantive change be made to the indictment?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that your attorney has 10 days to prepare for trial?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
And are you waiving those rights and do you wish to proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. And the state is proceeding only on count 2. Did you review the documents entitled admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with evading arrest detention with a previous conviction as a state jail felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am, Your
And
Honor.
did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
That is correct, Judge.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Berry, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am, Your
Are
Honor.
you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count 2. Punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. The state recommends community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
That's correct, Judge.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, sir.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 3 years. There be no contact with Target and Academy Sports and Outdoors, and a referral to felony drug court. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Then to count 2, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
State any evidence.
Stand in exhibit.
Did you review the waiver? I'm sorry, any objections?
No objection, Judge.
Did you review the waivers with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, yes, ma'am. I understand, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
If we may, Your Honor.
All right, state, they say that there is a restitution amount in the police report. Well, let me take that back. Is there any restitution from the Target or Academy?
As I'm aware of, Your Honor, merchandise and funds recovered.
That is our understanding as well, Judge.
All right. Anything else you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, we respectfully requesting that the court follow this plea bargain agreement. My client was not without his struggles and faults. He has been battling some issues related to mental health as well as substance use. He is willing and able to make a change, in my opinion, and will work any programs that the court deems suitable as far as treatments or other conditions of community supervision. He did want me to ask the court if he could be allowed to make the appointments out of custody, as he has a place to live. And he stated that he would definitely make all appointments as scheduled as far as a potential TAP or mental health evaluation. I notified him that would be up to the court. But aside from that, Your Honor, we're just requesting that this honorable court follow the plea bargain recommendation.
All right. Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
What are their ages?
I have one daughter. She's 14.
All right. And does she live with you or no?
Not right now.
When's the last time you had contact with her?
Just right before I was incarcerated.
And how often have you been using?
Just like once or twice a month.
All right. We're not here for once or twice a month of using. People don't pick up, these theft cases and running away from the police for
Correct.
once or twice a month. And in the police report, it said that you had drugs on you. So again, how much are you using?
Every day.
All right. So why are you being dishonest?
I was thinking about the visit. I'm sorry. I was.
All right. So what drugs have you been using every day before you were taken into custody?
Meth.
All right. And how far did you go in school?
I had my GD.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 4 years, and state your excuse. In custody, the following is to occur: a referral to felony drug court, TAP evaluation, MIC evaluation, follow TAP results. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order the theft course. Once he completes that, 100 hours will be deducted. And then there's 100 hours if he decides to better himself through a trade school or counsel. If there's something else that he does to better himself, just bring it to the court and I'll consider that as community service hours.
Yes, Your Honor, will do. Thank you for that.
Otherwise, you're going to end up picking up trash off the side of the street.
I understand.
There's to be no contact with Target or Academy sports and outdoors. There's going to be field visits 1 time per month for 8 months. Probation, is there anything else? I'm sorry. Oh, thank you. There's to be proof of employment within 45 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Anything else, probation? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, ma'am, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
And I'm sorry, probation, there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. All right, we can go off the record. In this court, in order to be successful, communication is key. If there's an issue, let your probation officer know. If you feel like you're going to use, let your probation officer know, and
Yes.
we'll take it up. If for any reason you feel as though they're not addressing your issues, you can always come back to court. You understand?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.